Aaron, being instructed by angels, went forth to meet his brother, from whom he had been so long separated, and they met amid the desert solitudes near Horeb. Here they communed together, and Moses told Aaron all the words of the Lord who had sent him, and all the signs which he had commanded him. Exodus 4, verse 28. Together they journeyed to Egypt, and having reached the land of Goshen, they proceeded to assemble the elders of Israel. Aaron repeated to them all the dealings of God with Moses, and then the signs which God had given Moses were shown before the people. The people believed, and when they heard that the Lord had visited the children of Israel, and that he had looked upon their affliction, then they bowed their heads and worshipped. Verse 31. Moses had been charged also with a message for the king. The two brothers entered the palace of the Pharaohs as ambassadors from the King of Kings, and they spoke in his name. Thus saith Jehovah, God of Israel, let my people go, that they may hold a feast unto me in the wilderness. Who is Jehovah, that I should obey his voice to let Israel go? Demanded the monarch. I know not Jehovah, neither will I let Israel go. Their answer was, the God of the Hebrews hath met with us. Let us go, we pray thee, 3 days' journey into the desert, and sacrifice unto the Lord our God, lest he fall upon us with pestilence or with the sword. Tidings of them and of the interest they were exciting among the people had already reached the king. His anger was kindled. Wherefore do ye, Moses and Aaron, let or hinder the people from their works? He said. Get you unto your burdens. Already the kingdom had suffered loss by the interference of these strangers. At thought of this he added, Behold, the people of the land now are many, and you make them rest from their burdens. In their bondage, the Israelites had to some extent lost the knowledge of God's law, and they had departed from its precepts. The Sabbath had been generally disregarded, and the exactions of their taskmasters made its observance apparently impossible. But Moses had shown his people that obedience to God was the first condition of deliverance, and the efforts made to restore the observance of the Sabbath had come to the notice of their oppressors.